So communicating with students is one of the biggest challenges when teaching remotely. And as clear as you try to be, any tool you can use to just help personalize the communication is really effective. So I wanted to show you how I've used Google Classroom to share with students an assignment that's due and hopefully to support what they're learning. So we have a sketchbook due, and what's interesting is that we've been working at home, and it's just a little physical sketchbook that we made. So we have all of our drawings in it. And so I like to collect that. So what I did is I went to Google Classroom. So this is my Art 1 class. I'm in the classwork page, and I post an assignment. One of the first things I do is I try to give things a unit name. So we're in our shading unit. And so as a result, everything related to this is in this unit. And that is the first step to helping students keep organized. Secondly is I number the assignments. And it's so much easier to tell students to look at assignment number 1, look at assignment number 2. You can read out the assignment name, but those words get lost sometimes. So, for example, we're going to look at assignment 2 in our shading unit. And so there's assignment 2. And what I did is I typed up a list of everything that the student should find in our sketchbook. So this is a list of everything in our sketchbook, so students can go through and make sure they have it. But the other thing I did is I actually made a video where I just went through the video with the students. I just shared the document on my document camera, and I leafed through the video. So let's see if we can take a look at this. So this is me just talking to the students, walking them through what they should expect. Let's watch a minute of it.
Our first sketchbook's due, and I'll type up a list, but I thought I could also just walk you through our sketchbook. So here's an example of the sketchbook. On the cover, we did that cross-contour hand. So we traced our hand, and then we did what's called cross-contour lines to make it look 3D. My cover is yellow just so that it was kind of clear to you guys. Your cover can be white. All right? Inside the very first page, we put our first name, our last name, our class, which is Art 1, and then really important, your period. That's going to be the way I'm going to sort these. So be sure to put the period that you're in. Page 1, our pre-instruction drawing of a face. Page 2, basically lecture notes on cross-contour, how we bend lines to make things 3D. Page 3, the worm drawing. Then we revisited it and we shaded it using the tornado technique.
So I'm going to stop that, and just to, I think that illustrates how I walk them all the way through our sketchbook, page by page. And so it's almost like having a conversation with the student. So I think it's a great way to support the students' understanding of what we're working on.